Hey everyone, welcome to Travel Tales Unseen. If you're planning to escape the brutal heat this summer and are looking for some cool destinations to chill out, India has some hidden gems that you might not have considered yet. Subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos. So let me take you through my top 10 picks for cool Indian destinations to visit this summer. First up, let's head to the serene hills of Manali. Nestled in the Himalayas, Manali is not just a beauty to behold, but also a haven from the summer sun. With its lush green landscapes and breezy climate, it's a perfect spot for trekking or just relaxing. Next, we have Munnar in Kerala. Known for its sprawling tea gardens and misty mornings, Munnar offers a refreshing retreat with temperatures that seldom soar. Imagine walking through those aromatic tea plantations or exploring the exotic wildlife at Eravikulam National Park. Moving on, have you ever heard of Tawang? This quaint town in Arunachal Pradesh is not only culturally rich, but also boasts cool weather all year round. The journey there is as breathtaking as the destination itself, with stunning monasteries and the soothing Tawang River. Let's not forget about the Scotland of the East, Shillong. This hill station in Meghalaya is famous for its picturesque vistas and vibrant cultural scene. Whether it's exploring the caves or hitting the local markets, Shillong has something for everyone. For those who love the forest cover, Coorg in Karnataka is a must-visit. Often referred to as the Kashmir of the South, its verdant hills and cool climate make it an ideal summer getaway. Don't miss the cascading Abbey Falls and the sprawling coffee plantations. Now, if you're into more offbeat travel, Spiti Valley should be on your list. With its stark, beautiful landscapes and monasteries, it offers a different kind of summer experience, one that's both spiritual and adventurous. Then there's Dalhousie, with its old-world charm, pine-clad valleys, and mesmerizing natural beauty. It's like stepping back in time. For a slightly warmer but pleasant experience, visit Ooty in Tamil Nadu. The Queen of Hill Stations offers beautiful botanical gardens, boat rides on the Ooty Lake, and quaint colonial architecture. Next, escape to the tranquil surroundings of Gangtok in Sikkim. This place offers stunning views of the Himalayas, peaceful monasteries, and vibrant Tibetan markets. And finally, rounding off our list is the lesser-known but equally enchanting Chopta in Uttarakhand. Often referred to as the mini Switzerland of India, it's a great spot for trekking enthusiasts and nature lovers. So there you have it. 10 cool places to keep you chilled during the fierce Indian summers. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and set off on a summer adventure that you won't forget. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such travel-related videos. Do share the video with your friends and family to spend some time with them this summers. Catch you in the next video!